Hello, my name is Stacy Cobb, and I am going to present my evidence for Standard 2, Ethics and Professional Norms. Um, Effective educational leaders act ethically and according to professional norms to promote each student's academic success and well-being. So the guiding question number one asks, how do effective leaders act ethically and professionally in personal conduct, relationships with others, decision making, stewardship, and the school's resources and all aspects of school leadership? Some of my evidence I have is with using the math rubric, making sure that everybody gets graded the same way, making sure that there is the different levels from 1 to 4 and what these levels mean to students. The second evidence I have is with making sure that um, the percentages are the same for each student for quizzes, assignments, warm-ups, assessments, whatever it may be, that they know ahead of time from my syllabus what is expected of them. So I'm not changing the bar as I go along. Another evidence I have of that is um, using the safety protocols, like teachers are bringing down their safety books and taking attendance. And also I have evidence of the handbook, what is expected of teachers during the year as they work for Roosevelt. The second guiding question asks, how do effective leaders place children at the center of education and accept responsibility for each student's academic success and well-being? Well, for this one, I take ownership of having the ethical consideration in applying the PARC and the flip math curriculum to whatever DCPS provided. So they wanted one particular Eureka Math they wanted, and I wanted to also use, in addition to the Eureka Math, the Flip Math. And so I was able to implement both of them, um, one after each other, and also have students, present their work to me during the B-Day sessions. How else do I do this? Well, also here, you would see that students are, I'm asking students about their work and they're responding, okay? Um, this is using the Socratic seminar method. It is a formal discussion in which I ask them open-ended questions based on the writing task that they did. Also, I gave student surveys to students from the Panoramic Student Survey, and also Roosevelt staff here. Roosevelt gives the students other surveys to find out how they're doing and how they're feeling. The third question asks, how do effective leaders provide moral direction to the school and promote ethical and professional behavior among faculty and staff? Well, definitely, I would say that me using the flip math was ethical, and it was a direction towards what the students needed, okay? This was for them, not for me. So yes, I thought it was an ethical consideration, and I also have a citation here to show um, the importance of that. Also, I have a letter here to my colleague who was very rude to me, and I wanted to show how professional I was in this letter, even after he was so disrespectful. This shows here my personal code of ethics. these words mirror who I am and how I would lead. I do not give unless it's earned. I'm altruistic, which means I help others. It's, you know, I want the best for everyone. I'm respectful, professional. Um, I make sure that everyone is accountable, etc. There are many other evidence that I can use, that I've used also. If you keep looking, scrolling down, you'll see more. But the fourth guiding question asks, how do effective leaders demonstrate ethical responsibility towards issues related to special education and social justice? At the very bottom, our school use Kid Talk, and Kid Talk ask about the perseverance of the students, the self-management skills, the rigorous expectations, the sense of belonging. Also, we plan. So during these meetings, we have an intervention plan for these SPED students that would show what that student is lacking and how we can help that student. And any of these, whether it's perseverance, self of belonging, their academics, anything. It shows their grades, right? And their classes that they have and how we can go about helping them in this plan. Also, this is a document here that I use to to give feedback on my SPED students. And uh, other evidence, this is a video for Flip Math asking students what they thought about Flip Math. At the end of the year, what did they think? What did they think about the applications? You know, putting students first, wanting to make sure that they are um, I'm hearing their voice as to what I should do moving forward throughout the next year. Um, and that's it. So if you keep scrolling, you'll see um, some more evidence of some things that I've done, meeting with the team, the letter from the principal stating that I'm doing the right thing with the parent that kept complaining. Just keep documenting. Um, and also we use Aspen to document what's going on with students. So thank you very much, and I look forward to your feedback.